apparently there's all these issues with like biblical translations as they're trying to translate it in like the 20th century to all these different cultures. And when they're putting in their native tongue, like there's one specific that I remember. I did this field trip to Wycliffe, and it's a Bible translator in Florida. Have you heard of it? I don't know.
Yeah.
And one of the things in like this one specific tribal culture in Africa, there's this idea of Jesus knocking on the heart. But in that culture, thieves knock. And so they're like, okay, we can't make it knocking because then they're going to think Jesus is a thief.
Yeah.
And so what they did is like they would cough or something like that. They would like clear their throat to indicate that there was someone on the other side of their hut. And so they had to translate it to Jesus coughs at the door of the heart or something to that effect.
Yeah.
And that when you're translating things, you have to be super specific to the culture that you're translating to.